Welcome to day 2 of your soul reset journey. Today, we'll explore how your breath can calm your nervous system and help you feel safe, grounded, and present. Find a comfortable position. Let your shoulders soften. Let your breath guide you. Your breath is more than oxygen. It's a signal to your body. Fast breath equals stress. Slow breath equals safety. When you breathe slowly and deeply, your nervous system begins to reset. Stress activates your sympathetic nervous system, fight or flight. But calm breath activates the parasympathetic system, rest and digest. This is your body's natural healing mode, and you can access it anytime. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold for a moment. Exhale gently through your mouth. Let's repeat that together. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let your breath be your anchor. Let your body soften with each exhale. Notice your chest rising. Notice your shoulders relaxing. Notice your heartbeat slowing. This is your nervous system responding. This is healing in real time. Repeat quietly in your mind. I am calm. I am safe. I am resetting. Let these words move with your breath. Stay here as long as you like. Let your breath continue to guide you. And when you're ready, we'll meet again for day 3. You're doing beautifully.